Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Hope all are doing great. And today we'll be discussing about NuGet packages. Basically, we will be seeing today how a NuGet package can be installed from the NuGet package manager and what all processes or what all steps happen when we try to install a NuGet package. If we will be going in depth in certain detail into the steps which will happen when we try to install the NuGet packages. So let's go to the. I picked a sample project where I am planning to install the NuGet package. So what I'm trying to do here is when I want to install a NuGet package for this particular project, I will go to the references and I right click on the references and do manage NuGet packages, and it will invoke the NuGet package manager, which is kind of an interface to install the NuGet packages and to see all the NuGet packages which are listed in a particular repository, NuGet repository. So currently the package source is pointed to NuGet.org, which is the main NuGet repository, which is a main NuGet repository holding all the published public NuGet packages. So in the browse section, you'll be able to see different NuGet packages by different publishers, and you can select anyone to install them. If you select this one, get an you will get a description about that particular NuGet package and what it does, and who is the publisher of this particular NuGet package, and what is the license associated with this NuGet package. And once you're satisfied with this description and all the licensing details, you can go ahead and install this particular NuGet package into your project. Into your project. Therefore, what happens when we try to install the NuGet package that we will try to see. So already I have tried to install one package called Entity Framework little before. So I have already installed it, and in the output section, you can see what all steps has happened when we tried to install this NuGet package. Therefore, when we try to just see the output from the package manager, select the package manager, and you can see the steps which has happened. And when we try to install the NuGet package, therefore, the first thing what happens is when we try to install a particular NuGet package, it checks in its local cache or in the global assembly cache or GAC whether that particular NuGet package is there in that particular cache or not. If it is not there, then it tries to go to the remote repository or the remote server, that is NuGet server, to download that package from there. Therefore, since this was not previously installed in this particular machine, therefore this particular NuGet package was not there in the local NuGet repository, which is there by default in the C users NuGet path. I'll just show the path where it is. We'll go to the user section. C users. Let me go to the Dell, and if you go to the .NuGet, and it has these packages. So these are all the packages which are already installed in this particular machine. For this particular user, it has installed all these NuGet packages. Therefore, when we try to install a particular NuGet package, it checks in that local repository whether the package is present or not. If it is not present, it tries to do a get call on this particular URL. It is pointed to the global NuGet repository api.nuget.org and tries to download this particular package from there. So once it downloads this package, and then what it does, it tries to add this particular NuGet package to the global NuGet repository. Therefore, whatever we have seen in this packages, if you just search entity, you will find an entry here, and you can see the date and time. Therefore, it has added this particular packages, this global NuGet repository cache, which is called CAC actually, and it has added this particular version folder and all the this NuGet package details contents here. And once it has added there, it will try to add this particular NuGet package in the project solution repository path. Therefore, this particular project that I'm trying to install, this particular project is in the D repos folder. So the solution file is in the D repos. That is why you will see this path. D repos packages is a folder which is created by the NuGet, where it will try to add this package that I've installed in this solution package folder. So it tries to add it here, and once it's once this particular package is added to the solution directory, then it tries to install this particular package. And during the installation phase, what happens is this adds this particular package to the packages.config, which is part of this particular project. Therefore, this particular project has this package.config where there is an entry for the NuGet package that we have added for the particular target framework. And once it starts with package.config, it will install, try to install, it will modify the project file. It will modify the project file and add this particular the DLL which is wrapped inside that particular package, and add that DLL as a reference to this particular project. So if you go to this particular project and expand the references, you will find an entry for the entity framework and entity frameworks.sql server. For this particular job is done by the NuGet CLI. It tries to modify this particular project file and adds these references here. So that's the major thing that happens when you try to install a NuGet package. That's the main steps which actually takes place when you try to install a NuGet package. It's kind of a straightforward way of installing a NuGet package using the NuGet package manager. Also, there is another way of installing the NuGet package using the command line tools, or using commands. You'll be able to install the NuGet package. That is a bit more tedious. This is kind of a pretty straightforward, and it is pretty intuitive. You can see all the NuGet package definitions and all the details here, and it will be a GUI way of installing the NuGet packages. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Hope it hope you find it useful. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and do share this video with your in your community so that it will reach to much more audience. Thank you, and catch you in the next video.